Taking one last look of your Tuesday, we actually slashed that high temperature in half. If you remember back on Monday, we topped that at 40 degrees, 50% less now at 20 was your high for Tuesday. Still below average for this time of the year, but we were right on the money when it came to that morning low of 8 degrees. Nowhere near the record of 42 occurring back in 2008, negative 13 in 1993, and sunset is already occurring at 5:10 p.m. Looking at those temperatures for today, though, temperatures have rebounded pretty nicely. A good about almost 10 degrees, you can say. 28 in Marquette, 30 in Iron Mountain, 34 from Escanaba to Munising and all the way to Manistee. And even further towards the west, 30 in Ontonagon. Why did we top out in those around 30 degrees this afternoon? It's because the winds were mostly out of the south or even out of the southwest. Even though it's a little bit lighter, especially towards the west central UP, Houghton at 7, Iron Mountain at 7, 12 in Ironwood. Further towards the central UP, though, still kicking around 17 in Marquette, 15 in Munising, and even 16 in Escanaba, mostly out of the south. But we'll begin to see those winds changing in direction later on tonight and going into your Thursday. As we deal with a cold front coming in, we are going to see an increase on those snow showers for your Thursday, and a little bit more as we go into your Friday and Saturday as we deal with a little bit of the lake effect, and also a second disturbance coming in for your Saturday, which will trigger a very snowy finish for 2016. The bright side, though, is by Saturday night conditions will improve. So if you are going to celebrate 2017 at midnight, it's looking pretty decent, and that will continue going into New Year's Day with a good amount of sunshine. But first, going into your Thursday, snow will really cover pretty much a good portion of the Northeast, a little bit of rain along the Atlantic shoreline from Boston all the way down into the Carolinas. Throughout the Wolverine State, we will begin to see an increase on some snow showers, especially triggered by the lake effect throughout parts of northern lower Michigan and into parts of the UP, especially along Lake Superior. Accumulations for tomorrow should be relatively minor, between 1 to 3 inches. We'll increase a little bit more of the snow chances as we go deeper into your Friday and into your Saturday with that second disturbance. As the cold front pushes through, temperatures are going to still keep themselves relatively cool in those low 20s going for your Friday. With that next batch of snow going into your Friday night, into your Saturday, late Saturday night, we'll begin to see some improvements, and we'll even see some clouds trying to break up deep into your Saturday night, into your Sunday. Going into tonight, though, 20 degrees, scattered snow showers, gradually increasing in that intensity as we go into your Thursday, and the winds already shifting out of the south, now going towards the west at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Going into your Thursday, winds are now going to be coming out of the northwest, gusts up to 30 miles per hour. So temperatures are going to struggle to try to make their way almost to what we saw today in those upper 20s, 27 in Ontonagon and Houghton, 29 in Crystal Falls, 32 in Munising as we deal with those snow showers. With those winds, though, we will see those temperatures feel about a good 10 degrees colder than what it says on the thermometer, so do bundle up. And also keep in mind, with that snow, we are going to be dealing with some blowing snow, so that's really going to reduce the visibility on those roads. Going into your day planner, sunrise occurs at 8:34 a.m., snow picking up more and more throughout the afternoon and into the evening at 60%, and temperatures eventually falling into those mid-teens by tomorrow night, going into your Friday morning. Going into the next 7 days, 2016 is just going to be a white finish overall. Good amount of snow coming in, especially on Saturday, but will taper off late in the day, allowing for the party weather to be on the nice side, and that will continue going into your New Year's Day with the mostly sunny skies. And really, temperatures don't begin to take a real hit until next week as we deal with a cold front coming in, really ramping up those snow chances up to 80% next Wednesday. Morning lows also will take a tumble by then, but overall, temperatures are going to be very close to normal for this time of the year.